Sometimes we can drive 4 hours in any direction and be in a place with different scenery and a completely different way of life. This week, we spent a few days in Las Vegas and a few days in Malibu. What a contrast.
We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset.
It is. The real one is.
The kids enjoyed their own version of Sin City with a dinner at the Sugar Factory, visits to the Hershey Store and the M&M store.
Cookies and mint.
Is that what you're going to spend your money on?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, did I want the Hershey?
Okay, are we going to all 4 floors of the M&M store?
Yes. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yes.
Oh, they added purple? I didn't even know.
No idea they had that many colors of the M&Ms.
They will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take and lead the way for somebody else to help themselves. Leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
Very good. All right. Well, what are we missing from this side of the country? What's that one? California. Yep. We're going there in a couple days.
Unfortunately, we dealt with a little drama at the campground.
We're staying at the Oasis Las Vegas RV Resort. I wouldn't stay here again if there were other good choices here in Vegas close to this strip. We paid $330 something for 3 nights. So they have this list of rules and policies. I don't even know how many pages this is. 12 or 13. And they had us initial a whole bunch more when we checked in. And then our second night here, they had a special event. They have like a banquet room in this building right behind us, which is the clubhouse. It also has an event room. And at 1:30 in the morning, we woke up to somebody revving a Corvette engine right behind us in the parking spaces. There were about 20 people hanging out outside the clubhouse, but they were drinking and being loud for almost 2 hours. I called security a couple times. Some of the other guests said they called security also. Security didn't do anything about it. They drove by in the golf cart a couple times but didn't even stop and talk to them. And when I went to talk with the front office the next morning, the ladies at the check-in desk said, no, that shouldn't happen. I should contact the manager, and they gave me her contact info, and I showed them the videos that I took. And I sent an email and a text to the manager. I haven't received any response. So this place has a million rules for us to follow, but apparently none for people who are having a special event here. The security team will be really strict with you as RV guest, but not with people who are here for special events. Last night we went to the pool to try to enjoy that in the evening. 11 o'clock on the dot, security guard comes through and makes, and I mean there were like 2 families maybe there at the pool and a couple or 2 in the hot tub. Security guy comes through and kicks everybody out exactly at 11 o'clock. You know, they couldn't be bothered to do anything about the 20-25 people over here causing a disturbance at between 1:30 and 3 in the morning.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find.
The Malibu Beach RV Park is simple, but we loved it. We have a grassy lawn where the kids played, and we enjoyed stunning views of the coast. They have a walking trail for your dog with beautiful views of the water and a few bunnies. They also have a store with all of the best camping provisions collected into one place.
They have flour and corn tortillas in there.
Ooh, okay.
This RV park has mixed reviews online, so we were a little unsure about coming here, especially since it's so expensive. But I don't know, if you like Malibu and if you like California, this place, I think it's downright magical. I mean, we woke up to this incredible view. This is just steps away from our camper. The weather's incredible, no air conditioning needed. We just opened our windows and got a really nice breeze. The landscaping is beautiful. They have this grassy area here, and they've got some lights strung up that are on at night, so there are people playing over here. And right behind me is like a little hangout area with cornhole and some picnic tables.
On the shelf, don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
While in Malibu, we visited the local farmers market and the Pepperdine campus.
All the sidewalks and the highways, they'll turn into dust. Mother Nature covers over every street we lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. Leave it all for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles upon the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
We also went to the Malibu Pier for sightseeing and lunch.
A lot of people surfing?
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need.
It's actually pretty calm out here today.
Sunset paradise.
Thought it was gonna be more windy.
All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature cold.
enjoy dinner at Duke's, especially the hula pie.
Okay, what's it called? It's like a hula something pie. Hula kai pie or something. I don't know. That's the key lime.
Want to help me with some dump valves for Father's Day?
We need
Nothing
those.
like trying to pretend poop doesn't just fly out.
Well, this is so the poop doesn't fly out.
The poop will try to stay in and not leak out the way we unfortunately had it in Las Vegas. Quite.
You know, if it was going to happen someplace, that was the
That
place.
place was probably the best place to leave the poop on the ground.
They kind of deserved it,
They kind of deserved it after
even though it was unintentional.
their security.
Okay, here I can film your install.
There's already like a little bit of liquid in there. But
It's not supposed to do that, is it?
I mean, in a perfect world, no. So I think ideally we want this to be this side.
So that's it. So you'll just put the hose
You
on.
can see if you're gonna have stuff
Yeah.
come at you. So basically close,
Put the hose on there,
close,
then release the gate.
leave it open, and then do the dump valve.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Well, I mean, the install is easy. Okay.
Something happened. I think that was mainly gray water.
Okay. 'Cause this one does the gray and the black.
Oh yeah, it's better this way.
Then you've got room. Okay.
We also spent a day on Catalina Island. There are a few options for the ferry ride over, but we took the Catalina Express, departing from the Long Island terminal. We called the day before we wanted to go and booked our tickets with no problem. The ferry ride over took about an hour, and we were able to rent a golf cart to tour the island when we arrived.
Thank you. Yeah. Well, we'll see. We can probably like go up to the third at some point. Okay. Okay, there's restrooms.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome aboard.
Hi. You're on camera. Can we sit anywhere?
Anywhere you'd like.
Okay.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take and lead the way for somebody else to help themselves. the troubles upon the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
Everything has a plaque.
Leave it all for somebody else to help themselves.
I don't think you really
Leave
need
the
to just kind of like wait around a little bit.
on the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
Oh, it's going over.
Oh, the cranes
Oh,
going over.
Kind of missed the view.
Yeah. Definitely missed the view.
They're really in the way. We thought we were going to be in the way. No. I don't think we can get out till they're done.
Oh yeah, no, I mean we have to.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else.
To get this piece of plywood out of my truck.
you can't even do it.
Maybe he's got to build a bed.
That's probably what the guy.
He's got to like build a bed today or something.
All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take and lead the way for somebody else.